MOVA Globes. MOVA Globes are solar-powered spheres that spin on their own without wires or batteries. They make great corporate gifts, graduation gifts, birthday gifts, decor for your library, and fascinating centerpieces. MOVA Globes are available in different prints. They have all the planets, lots of different Earth designs, Major League Baseball teams, and even some art. And they are a lot less expensive to own than the Las Vegas sphere. And I encourage you to get your own MOVA Globe using my affiliate link in the video description. If you use my special discount code MARBLE, you'll save 10% off the larger 6-inch and 8.5-inch globes when you check out. Save the code, it doesn't expire. So this video helps you see the scale of MOVA Globes. This is my kitchen table with 8.5-inch sun globe, 6-inch earth globe with clouds, and 4.5-inch moon globe. My dog's really interested in what this is, aren't you? Anyways, if we turn on some lights underneath these, you can see that they will reflect the light pretty well because it's kind of a, a glossy acrylic shell. I don't think colored lights would look as good. It's just going to kind of mess with the colors of the globes. That's red, green, blue,